Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on the all-new 2023 Aviara AV32 outboard. Starting back here at the back of the boat, you're going to see this is powered by twin Mercury 300 horsepower 4-stroke outboards. Also back here, you have a great seating area, large seating area. These backrests come up, all three across. You'll also have these gas-assisted seats, so you can have multiple levels of seating at the back of the boat. Also a big feature on this boat, walk-through transom area, offers your fender storage. So no more digging under the seats that everybody's sitting on to dig the fenders out. So we come into the cockpit of the boat here, you see the large area through here, plenty of seating for everybody. This is a cool touch seat, so never gonna get hot. And over here at our wet bar, we have vast amount of storage. Your sink here, bottle storage. And under here, you have your Cordova cooler to keep all the drinks cold. As I move up towards the helm of the boat here, you're going to see you have a nice glass dash, nice and smooth here for all your engine information, boat information, and stereo. Then down here you'll see a very well equipped head size area. Nice and deep. You'd be plenty tall, get in there, have room, take the swimsuit off, use the restroom. Also, you're going to see a nice deep open bow in the front of this boat. And if it's a nice cool day like it is today, whether it be fall, winter, or spring, you have an air dam here, nice sized windshield so you can stay warm behind the glass. Once again, my name is Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through the all-new 2023 Aviara AV32 outboard. Thanks. Have a great day.